3-channel front inside rear dash cam. This triple-channel dash cam, which offers 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees inside camera and 150 degrees rear camera, it can monitors the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously with audio at 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p, giving you peace of mind inside and outside of your vehicle. 4K 1080p front and inside dual dash cam. The dash camera features an ultra-high-definition 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30 fps front camera to captures details that are incredibly different from other resolutions. With a 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps cabin driver-facing camera, an adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing, ideal for rideshare drivers that may need to have proof of what people were doing inside the vehicle. Precise GPS tracking speed. The built-in GPS enables the dash cam to precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location. Longitude and latitude are embedded in the video, speed and routes on the map. In the event of an accident, dispute or collision, the information provided by GPS will become effective evidence to protect your legitimate rights and interests and lets you fully enjoy your driving experience freely. Excellent infrared night vision dashboard camera. 4K dash cam with high-performance Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor, a big f1.8 large aperture 6-glass lens observing road. This car camera is able to increase exposure automatically in dark situations to capture clear license plates and passenger footage. Motion detection or collision detection parking monitoring car camera with the energy-saving motion detection parking mode. The dash cam will be on standby mode and wake up to record once front or inside camera detect movement. With collision detection, if an impact is detected when car dash cam is off, it will auto-on to record the impact. The 3-channel dash cam should be connected to hardwire kit or external battery power if you want 24 hours parking mode. More than a standard camera for car. Meet all of your demands of a dash cam: loop recording, emergency recording lock, parking monitor, time-lapse, parking assist, offer you much more than these. 2 kinds of mount provide more installation options, support 256GB max SD card for a long time road trip.